Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to download the official Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft. In this video we'll learn this guys. For this guys, just you need to open any web browser on your PC like this, and here you need to search Windows 11 ISO download. Okay, after this guys, here you need to open the official link of the Microsoft download Windows 11. Just click and open this link. It will open the official Microsoft website. As you can see guys, scroll down, here you can get the option download Windows 11 disk image ISO. Just you need to select the download, and here you need to select Windows 11 like this and click on download. Now it will ask you to select your regional language. Extend this. From here you need to select your language. I am selecting English, United States, like this. After this guys, just click on confirm. Okay, it will start the download process. So the file size is very big guys. It will depend on your internet speed, how much fast it will download. Here you need to select 64-bit download like this. As you can see guys, it will start downloading process. So the total file size is 5.2 GB. It will showing 37 minutes. So it will depends on your internet speed. So this is the official way to download the ISO file of your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.